This is a supine arm bar with an emphasis on the trunk rotation component. So you're going to have the foot that's supported on the wall also supported on a foam roller. You have the heel and the base of the big toe firmly on the wall, knee of that same side slightly bent. You're then going to bring the knee on the opposite side over the hip. We're going to start with the palm down and the arm straight. We're then going to take an inhale in through the nose as we turn the palm in and we lift the whole arm, shoulder blade, and that side of our rib cage from the table as we turn towards the opposite side. And that's going to look like this. Inhale, reach, and then exhale. We're going to turn that arm back to the starting position, and we're going to lower our arm, shoulder blade, as well as our rib cage as we come down. Inhale up, exhale down. We're going to make sure to keep those points of our foot solidly contacting the wall throughout. So we're going to have that inner heel and the base of the big toe throughout. So we inhale up, reaching, letting that part of our upper back come off the table, and then exhale as we return. That's your supine arm bar with an emphasis on the trunk rotation component.